Hello everyone, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a weird recap. I was down really bad, and not SRNE. I was down here. I was just trading SHIT today. PENN was a really good mover as well, but I didn't held. Not really good mover, but yeah, I traded CSCO. I was kind of trading blindly. So yeah, it was tough. So those three are the ones that I was watching. Yeah. So first I took it long. I was hoping for a squeeze to $14. It didn't work. Traded again long. Yeah, I'll show you later. And Cisco was a small profit, out at break even. And PENN took it short, took some profit here. That nice, kind of like a 40-cent move, but I didn't take a lot of profit, and I just stopped out. I should have taken more profit here, but yeah, it was kind of a chase. That's why I didn't want to hold it. So what's this SRNE? SRNE was kind of like the one that I should have held properly. Took it long here, stopped out, long again, took some profit, added, stopped out. I should have held. My risk was around 1550. That was where I entered. I shouldn't have added. It could have been a really good win as well. Look at that. Yeah, I anticipated that move that's gonna break these lines, and yeah, and yeah. I was red, but I tried my best to be back in green, trading a little bit of Cisco. Uh, I was red in PENN actually because I stopped out way way beyond, because I kind of held. I didn't really do auto stop. I kind of held. I thought it's gonna hold 52.50. 52.48 is the high of this candle, and then it held, and now it dropped. Yeah. So yeah. SRNE. Yeah, let's watch my trade. Yeah, here. So market opens. Let's fast forward this a bit. It's kind of hovering around this. Yeah, look at that. I was really going to short it, but I was too late already. I wanted to short it somewhere at 1350, but I just can't do it because it's still too early. And then I thought you thought like when it makes this kind of thing, it's just gonna squeeze back to 14. That's what normally happens. But 74 is my average. Was risking 35. Oh, look at that. It's just a lot of sellers dumping it. And I stopped out. I stopped out early because it could go to 20. Oh yeah, see? If I didn't stop, then could have been really, really bad. Was really, really pissed. So I shorted PENN, risking 42. It's like I'm risking kind of like $1. Yeah. But the thing is, this is thinly trade. There's not much orders. I shouldn't have traded this. Spread is crazy. Look at the spread. It's $11. So basically, this is where you lose when you trade this kind of stocks. I shouldn't have traded this. I took some profit in there. That was a really good profit. I should have taken some more off, but I didn't because I thought it's gonna break 51.70. I'm kind of holding because since I was red in SRNE, I held a bit. That was dumb. I was really, really dumb. I should have taken the profit there because this is a thinly traded stock. There's no orders or anything. It's all like zero. Yeah. I was willing to risk somewhere here, but man, that was a really bad mistake. Let's fast forward this a bit and see what else I did. Yeah, and I stopped out and probably gave back my profit. So I'm closely watching SRNE again. It's making, I kind of like this. It's making 1 minute new 1 minute highs. It's right at round number 1350. I kind of like this wick. Volume is there. So I just want to risk this much, even though my original risk was there. Average is 1350. I was really hoping for 1390. That's what I was hoping for. It's a good profit. Not much, but I still haven't recovered from my down trade. I'm almost close to getting stopped. It's holding 55. That's why I'm kind of confident. And 50. I should have added somewhere at 55, not at 60. So it's holding 50, 55. It's holding this line, which is the VWAP. I know it's gonna go 1390. I see. I didn't even take profit there because I thought it's gonna go to 14. Because I wanna gain back my losses from this trade. See, I added because I was confident. It's making higher highs. I even put my stop at 1350, even though my stop was not at 1350. New stop is 1360 area. Yeah, this is triangle when it breaks. Yep. Normally, if it doesn't hold this low, yeah, it's gonna stop you out. If you have the guts to hold it, sure. But I don't want to get I don't want a big drop again. And now it's like moving without me. Look at that. I was just watching it rip. It was really, really frustrating. Now we went to 14. That ad could have been really, really good. So I took CSCO long in that daily level there because it's kind of holding. See that? It's holding. So this is a daily level somewhere. It's holding it. I took it long for the break of 43. Like if I don't know, I should have taken that 1-to-1 there. I could have made all my losses back, but I thought it's gonna break 43.29. Yeah, and then I think it stopped me out. So I kind of anticipated it's gonna break 43. That's why I took it long there, risking somewhere here below. Stop. Yeah, stopped out. I only made half of what I intended to make. I was not greedy. I was just, following a 2-to-1 rule sometimes, And look at that. Good thing I'm out PENN. I don't know why I'm watching this. I shouldn't be watching this. Yeah, so let's fast forward this. I think I traded SRNE again. So traded SRNE. I was really hoping for this, but I'm kind of FOMO. That's why I entered early. I was risking 1350 again. It's crazy. My average is 1390 area. That's if it drops there, I'm done. Like I'm back to red. I'm still red, but not much. Half R. I when I went back to 90, I kind of like reduced that one I added. So my average is lower now, but I reduced it. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like risky trade, but you can add but remove it once it goes back to your break even. You just want to make your average cost lower. It's a bad strategy, but You don't want to do that. That's what I did for the competition to win. That's competition. So re-average when it goes back to break even, remove half. So you can kind of know if it's really going. You can kind of feel if it's really going. So there you go. I'm back in green. Because of this ad, my average is right here now, back in green. I thought it's gonna break. It's not breaking 19. So that 19 level is kind of holding. I think it's a pre-market high. I can't remember. Yeah, it is pre-market high. Stock is an SSR. I'm stopped out. Yeah, I'm stopped out. Yeah, that's it. I'm green, but small green. Really small green. Like net small green. Oh well. That's it. Yeah, so as you can see here, it's kind of holding these levels here. Could have been a nice long here, but sometimes, you know, you don't want a long there because it's below VWAP. It's just, yeah. So I draw lines where I should have been trading, and then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So it's still kind of new strategy that I'm trying, but let me try it a few more days, few more months, see how consistent it is. But yeah, let's just go back to trading the open momentum and not trade so many stocks during the day. All right, if you like my nonsense video, please subscribe. It's not much. I traded yesterday, but I got up really late. I traded the one stock plug, like it's a small win, so I didn't really make a recap because I traded right before I go to work, so I didn't bother making and posting it. All right, see you guys tomorrow. We're still green in the week, green on the month, and let's hope for a green and prosperous month. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit like if you like it, and send it to your friends, share it to your friends if you have any friends who has the same interest. I'm kind of running out of words, so I'm sorry about that. I was just pissed because I didn't held this SRNE. Could have been a really good trade. Could have been proud of it, even though it got stopped. Yeah. And if you look closely, there's not much movers today. Actually, I mean, there are movers, but I didn't like most of them. Let's give me one sec. Yeah, so as you can see here, there's not much movers. I mean, all of them has like, SRNE has the highest volume, 5 million. SLV, I don't like trading this. It's not a stock. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a silver ETF or something. So it was only SRNE. I kind of didn't want to trade actually, because I think it's getting really, really slow nowadays. Yeah. What else? So normally when I look at stocks, I look at volume with the highest volume. American Airlines. I don't know why I didn't trade American Airlines. That's so weird. You can look at it after. American Airlines. Yeah, there's not much. Tesla, it's too expensive, so you don't want to trade that. FUTU, it's slow float, so you don't want to trade that. SLV, no. Yeah, so it's only, oh, it's CSCO. Yeah, CSCO, it's like 700,000, 4.2 billion. It's down 7%, which is really bad. Yeah. Maybe I should trade it swing. Could have been a nice one. It's $42. MU, no, I don't trade MU. Yeah, so as you can see, there's not much. So it's hard. It's hard to look for stocks that will move like the way I trade. Yeah. So sorry about that. Not much happening, and see you guys tomorrow.